Welcome. If you're looking for a student email, I recommend checking with your educational institution or school. They typically provide email addresses to their students for communication and academic purposes. If you are a student, you can inquire about your official student email from your school's administration or IT department. They will be able to guide you on how to set it up and access it. Some of the general benefits include:
registration in American universities has become complicated. You can no longer register with fake information and get an email. These universities have registered, but they are no longer circulated. There's only one way to register, which is to go to Fiverr. I will put you the best email seller in the description. Welcome.